we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of OUSI Aqua 316 stainless steel warm mist humidifier with remote control. Consists of the following features: 316 stainless steel and easy to clean. Built with premium 316 stainless steel for superior durability and resistance to mold and bacteria. Features a self-cleaning function activated via the panel, while the detachable lid and outlet allow for quick, thorough cleaning, making maintenance simple and hassle-free. Warm mist and adjustable humidity. This warm mist humidifier boils water up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit to release clean, soothing steam that helps ease dry skin, congestion, and throat discomfort. Customize your indoor air with 3 preset humidity levels, L, M, and H modes, or use the remote to precisely set the humidity between 50% and 70%, ensuring your room is maintained at your ideal comfort level. Dual control methods for maximum convenience. Easily control your humidifier your way. Adjust settings directly via the intuitive panel buttons or use the remote control for effortless operation. Perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, and large living spaces where convenience matters. Sleep mode and 1 to 7 hours timer. Activate sleep mode for silent operation and a light-free experience. All panel LEDs turn off, ensuring truly uninterrupted rest. Program your preferred operating time with the 1 to 7 hour timer. For added safety, the warm mist humidifier auto powers off when the water level drops below the min line, ensuring safe and worry-free use. Keeping your family safe, safety comes first. OUSI Aqua stainless steel warm mist humidifier is equipped with child lock and a secure dual-release lid system. The lid only opens when both the button and lock are engaged, keeping little ones safe from accidental spills. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.